So we've moved down to the east end of the yard, which is called the East Yard. And we see that you got a engine facility, silos. And in your drawing, I saw that you had a turntable there. So I'd like to know a little bit more about what your plans are here with that.
Okay, well, first of all, I just have to brag on how much fun it is to model the change from BNSF backwards to when it was green and yellow and red Santa Fe and BN. So this is a good visual here of the fun I'm having with that. This area, the frame has been built. You see it comes out. Mm-hmm. There's room for a 125-foot turntable here to turn steam power. When we're modeling 2001, there is no turntable. But remember, we're going to go back in history, and these leads will all come to a turntable for, say, 1996 or 1986, whenever before they retired the turntable, and this becomes a more complete and more traditional engine service facility. There is some industrial area around the yard, like older downtown areas. The Kimball Iron Works is fun to name for family members, high school friends, family friends. The fun part here is this is a new lead, comes past the Kimball Iron Works and under a bridge to the staging area. This is called the Rat Hole. The Southern Pacific had a rat hole switching district in the south part of Los Angeles, and after all these years, I've got a rat hole too.
This month's full-feature movie includes both visits to Mike's Southwestern Pacific, with never-before-seen footage from our prior video shoot based in 2006, when the Union Pacific owned the line and was patching SP units after the merger. The full movie takes you in-depth on the railroad, including rail fanning for the two eras, with 2006 Union Pacific motive power and the BNSF in 2001, along with Mike's interview in its entirety and a cab ride.